Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, today I will show you a wall socket simple connection. How to do the connection. You can see this socket is controlled by single switch. So now, how do you do connection? You need to connect here wires. How? You can see this is the earthing wire. You can connect earth. And other 4 point, how you will connect? Like that. You need to give one loop. This is the on off switch. You can see on off switch. From on off switch you need to take one loop like that. You need to take one loop and make it tight and connect to the socket point. This is the pass of the current. You need to connect one loop and then you need to give line you need to give to the switch, on off switch like that, and then make it tight. And the black wire neutral you need to give to the socket like that, and connect the wire. And this one you need to connect the earth. If you have the earthing wire, you need to connect and this terminal. So this is how you need to do connection for the wall socket. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You will get electrical, air conditioning and refrigeration video from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.